Hello guys, a little bit of a channel update thingy here. I was a little bit busy this week, so yeah, there were no updates to the repo maker and to the channel and so on. But I hope to return to my usual schedule starting this week. And the main news are that we now have wonderful 1080p resolution, and it works kinda good, as you can see. And we also have a new audio that I hope you will like more than my usual one. I have a PC, block near me, and the PC cooler fan is giving a little bit of a noise, as you can hear in the background, but that's it. I guess this is better than it was. I probably won't be editing this noise out because it will severely cut my voice frequencies, and as a little bit of a composer, I strongly opposed to that. So yeah, about other things, I had a request to make some Godot tutorials for beginners, and yeah, I actually was kinda trying to make a tutorial thingy with this virtual screencast, and of course the thing that you see here is indeed a virtual screencast. So no, I don't have 1080p in real life. So yeah, this is a little bit of a cheat here. You can check this video if you want to do the same. And yeah, while I was making this video, I actually understood how hard is making a good edit for the tutorial, because this wasn't a first time that I made a video edit. I actually had a little bit of a backstory with video editing and so on, and I gave live coverages on some important events, but this was not a tutorial, and this is actually quite hard. It took me about 4 hours to make this thing. So yeah, this is kind of hard, and because of that I realized that I don't really want to make a tutorial that just copies others' tutorials. So I actually deliberately searched through YouTube in the quest for GDScript tutorials, and I compared them, and I looked what is right and what is not, and so on and so forth. And the end result is that I don't really know for now how do I wanna make my tutorial more useful and unique. Probably the thing that I will do is I will just recap my previous mistakes that I had with GDScript, and you know, make a little bit maybe of a series about quirks in GDScript, some unintuitive moments that I had trouble with, and yeah, so a little bit of middle to advanced stuff maybe, but not always. In hope that it will be useful, and I know for sure that there are not really much info on some details in GDScript, so yeah, that will be useful for Godot community, I hope. So I guess this covers it, and yeah, I will probably include some list of GDScript for beginners tutorials in the description for those guys that who really need it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.